Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're going to roll up our sleeves and assemble a 120-inch fixed frame projection screen, specifically an ambient light rejecting screen. Full transparency, this screen was provided by Screen Pro for the purpose of this video, and I'm incredibly grateful for their support. I plan to use this screen in an upcoming series of videos where I'll test various projectors, so stay tuned for those. For those who may not know, Screen Pro has over 20 years of experience in screen manufacturing. They offer a wide range of screens for nearly every application imaginable. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check them out. But enough talking, let's get to work. Before I dive in, let's quickly go over the tools that you'll need. Fortunately, it's not much. A box cutter, a hex key, and a special tool for tightening the fiberglass rods that secure the screen material. The hex key and tightening tool are included in the package, so all you need is your trusty box cutter.
衬衫靠着微笑，你配了一双新球鞋，你的发型那么亮眼，我要睫毛翘一点。你总是包容我缺点，你随身携的我照片，你的笑容和我新鲜，你让我感觉在阳光下冲浪，随时闻到花香。
Once everything is unpacked and you verified all the parts, it's time to start assembling the frame. For this 120-inch size, the upper and lower frame sections come in two halves, which you'll connect using the included center joints. Simply slide the joints into the left and right frame pieces and tighten the screws. Next, connect the corners using the 4 elbow joints. To avoid any visible gaps, press firmly on the corners with your fingers as you secure the screws. Now put on the included white gloves. Yes, they are provided. And carefully unroll the screen material. Insert the fiberglass rods. There are 2 long rods for the sides and 4 shorter rods for the top and bottom edges. Once the rods are in place, it's time to attach the screen material to the frame using the small pressing plates. Start by securing the opposite corners, then work your way around the frame. Make sure the screen material is smooth and tight. For those stubborn spots, the included tightening tool will be your best friend. After the screen is secured, attach the support bar to the frame. With the screen fully assembled, you can prepare for wall installation. Before you start drilling, take accurate measurements of both the frame and your wall. Factor in any equipment you'll place beneath the screen like a center speaker or hi-fi rack. In my case, I left about 18 centimeters of space from the ceiling. Once you've marked and leveled the wall mounts, simply hook the screen into place and that's it. I'm thrilled with the final result. The 120-inch size is perfect for my test room and the assembly process was smooth from start to finish. The screen was wrinkle-free on the first try, which was a huge relief. I really dislike having to retighten screens multiple times. The frame also sits flush against the wall on all sides, even though there are only 2 mounting points at the top. Overall, I highly recommend this Screen Pro ALR screen. If you're in the market for a high-quality projection screen, definitely check out their website. Before we wrap it up, I want to let you know that this is just part 1 of my review. In the next video, I'll be testing the screen under various lighting conditions and comparing its ALR performance to a basic widescreen. So if you don't want to miss that and more projector-related content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you're using a projection screen and what your experience has been like. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.